Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to view planned versus actual budget in Zoho Projects. All right, you actually have multiple options. So first up, you need to enable budgeting. Go to the top right, click on the gear icon. Now click on portal configuration. Click on it, and here we have project and budget. Now go ahead over to budget settings. Click on it and make sure that this one is enabled. Okay, and once that's done, go back. So the first option to view the planned versus actuals is by going to our project list right here. Now let's just go ahead and use this move tool. Okay, and here we have the planned and the actual cost. All right. Now another option is by going to tasks right here in the left panel. So here we have task, move to the planned cost and the actual cost right here. Okay. You could also go to reports right here for a detailed analysis. Okay. Now go to the top, click on the filter icon. You're going to find planned and actual. Okay. Planned cost right here is maybe 100. Okay. And actual cost. Type it down right here. Maybe a 50. Okay. Click on find it. You will have the results right here. That is it. Now onto your dashboard, when you go head over to home right here, you should be able to see a budget status graph. Okay. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.